This is a 1,350 mile round trip that I did from Oklahoma City to Los Angeles. So I'm going to show you, I'll tell you how much I spent in gas, how much they're going to pay me for this round trip. Took 4 days, and yeah, stay to the end, and I'll tell you how much I made being a cargo van driver. Thank you guys. Yeah, so I'm kind of by Beverly Hills. It's probably the hood of Beverly Hills. Off to the side. There's a lot of like Mercedes and Teslas. Not right here, Volkswagen. A Fiat, a Defender. What is that? Is that a Ferrari? A Porsche? Dang. Tesla. 3 Teslas in a row. Yeah, so this delivery is the Riviera Golf. Well, Riviera Country Club actually. And I'm doing a drop-off and a pickup. I didn't get to film everything. My phone messed up. So this is my new phone. Bought it for 50 bucks at Walmart. It's Samsung, but it's pretty good. Oh shit, did I miss it? I think I missed it. Everything arrived in one piece. Nothing really moved anywhere. So it's all good. These are like umbrella platforms for the country club here. Oh. I think this one's kind of, I don't know, it's not too bad.
Rolling through the midnight rain, white van humming down the lane, Texas dust on worn out boots, chasing freight and chasing truth. Coffee cold eyes burning red, GPS and dreams ahead, from Vegas lights to Portland skies, living life through windshield eyes, sleeping parked at truck stop lights, praying for some better nights. One more mile, one more state, cargo van won't let me breathe. I haul the load, I ride alone, every highway feels like home. Some days rich, some days broke, still keep rolling through the smoke. I haul the load, I ride alone, windshield eyes and a heart of stone. Old roads call and I go, still keep rolling through the smoke.
I'm a big boy. See if it fits. That should fit.
Now I'd rather chase that lane than gamble dreams away.
Got a full load. These guys are on this golf course, the something Riviera. Yeah, this is the USPGA tour for the girls. They do these merchandising stands for them all around the country. I talked to them personally. I might get them to just use me instead of going through the carrier. Stealing from the carrier. It's a nice area. Not quite Beverly Hills, but that's like 10 miles away. I'm sure those people come here though to go. There's California. Now here's Oklahoma City, Oklahoma State Capital. Damn. Thank you guys for watching. So one way was $1,450, the way back $1,450 round trip, $2,900. $2,900 minus $650 in gas left $2,250. Divided by 2, that's $1,125 for me for a 4-day run. So thank you guys for being here. Like, comment, subscribe, ask me any questions, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.